Honey is one of the best known things to eat. It has been used as food and medicine for centuries. There is also proof that old Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans used honey to treat skin diseases. Honey is a common treatment for colds and cough. Lemon juice is a very good source of vitamin C and contains few B vitamins and potassium. Lemon juice can also lead to reducing excessive levels of cholesterol. Lemon use can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even cancer. The short answer is honey lemon water is a healthy and relaxing drink with many benefits to wellness. In this video we will explain the benefits of honey and lemon water and how they can be made. Here are the benefits of honey lemon water drinking. Number 1. Reduces fat. Number 2. Cleans the skin. Number 3. Enhances your performance. Number 4. Great medication for throat infection. Now we are going to let you know in depth the benefits of these 4 points. Reduces fat. Having honey and lemon water empty in the morning will make your body feel healthy and light during the day, and you can lose half a kilogram per day if you consume it every day. Of course, you also must follow the right diet. Cleans the skin. Honey has healing properties as it can fight a lot of different types of bacteria. Since bacteria in your skin can cause so many issues with your face, such as pimples, rashes, acne, etc. Drinking a mixture of lemon and honey with hot water can prevent you from getting sick and help make your skin look beautiful. Enhances your performance. Honey lemon drink is also pretty good for greater immunity. It keeps you healthy, protected from infectious diseases and changes in weather. Drinking honey and lemon water daily will reduce cold and flu and other allergies, and it also boosts your energy. Great medication for throat infection. Honey and lemon water is among the best treatments for throat infection due to the natural antibacterial properties that enables it to act as a wound healer, offering immediate relief for pain. How to make the honey lemon drink. Ingredients. Number 1. 1 cup of water. Number 2. Freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon. Number 3. 2 teaspoons of honey. Method to make the honey lemon drink. Number 1. You will need 1 medium-sized lemon, slice in half with a knife and use a juicer to take the juice from it. For better results we suggest using organic lemon. Number 2. Add 1 cup of water to a small bowl. Heat up the water until it comes to a boil, which should take about 5 minutes. Number 3. Take it right off the heat when the water boils and add 2 teaspoons of honey and lemon juice. Mix thoroughly well to make sure the honey is completely dissolved. Number 4. Put water to a mug or a teacup until the honey is dissolved. We highly recommend checking the temperature of the water by dipping a spoon before drinking. Enjoy your drink. The conclusion is, drink the lemon and honey water early in the morning on an empty stomach for the easiest and fastest results to lose your weight.